Also, this news back here at home tonight, President Biden's only surviving son sat in a Wilmington courtroom all day with the First Lady sitting behind him as jurors heard vivid and salacious details about his addiction and alleged behavior during a period where he's facing 3 criminal charges. And they saw photos of the gun at the center of the case as prosecutors try to use testimony from at least 3 women that Hunter Biden was involved with to establish that he was a chronic drug user when he bought this firearm back in 2018. CBS Scott MacFarlane was inside the courtroom for the second day of testimony.
First Lady Jill Biden spent a third day at the courthouse, again seated behind Hunter Biden, as prosecutors tried to prove he illegally purchased this Colt 38 handgun while using drugs in late 2018, lying on the application form. They called 2 women formerly in his life to the stand to help make their case. His ex-wife, Kathleen Buhle, testified she found a crack pipe at their Washington, D.C. home in 2015, was rejected when she urged him to go to rehab, and would scour his car to ensure their kids didn't find drugs. But under cross-examination, Hunter Biden's attorney, Abby Lowell, got Buhle to admit she never actually saw Hunter Biden do drugs. Former Justice Department official Tom Dupree.
The key evidence is going to be provided by people who were intimately close with Hunter Biden, his ex-wife, ex-girlfriends, and the like. I can only imagine that this is probably excruciatingly painful for Hunter Biden, among other people, to sit in court and hear this.
Late today, a former girlfriend, Zoe Caston, who dated him for much of 2018, testified Hunter Biden frequently bought and used crack, at times using a chopstick to clean out his crack pipe.
I went one time for 13 days without sleeping and smoking crack and drinking vodka exclusively.
Keston said the president's son was using drugs as late as September 2018, weeks before he bought the gun, and again weeks later in November 2018. Prosecutors showed the jury a series of photos of drugs allegedly used by Hunter Biden and an image from a video of a shirtless Biden, allegedly with drug paraphernalia.
It really leaves no doubt that Hunter Biden was abusing controlled substances. I mean, it doesn't really give much room for the defense to argue that he wasn't, at least at some point in time, addicted.
Still on the witness list for tomorrow is Hallie Biden, Beau Biden's widow and a woman with whom Hunter Biden had a romantic relationship when the gun was purchased. Jurors saw that gun late today, zip-tied in a box and held up by prosecutors. Norah?
Scott MacFarlane, very detailed testimony. Thank you.